Hi friends, I am Jasmine. Today we are discussed about electronic spreadsheet. You know what is an electronic spreadsheet or simply spreadsheet? Is an electronic version of the account's traditional paper spreadsheet which stores numeric data into dimensional tables that display the results of calculations performed on this data. Simply, an electronic spreadsheet is an electronified version of account's traditional paper spreadsheet. It helps us to display the results of calculations performed on this data and help to analyze the data for further use. So we want to know more about electronic spreadsheet. So I would like to introduce a new application software, MS Excel by Microsoft for Microsoft Windows and macOS. വിൻഡോസ് മാക് OS ഓപ്പറേറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റത്തിന് കേപ്പബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള രീതിയിൽ മൈക്രോസോഫ്റ്റ് ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള കൊമേഴ്ഷ്യൽ സ്പ്രെഡ്ഷീറ്റ് ആപ്ലിക്കേഷനാണ് MS Excel. ഇറ്റ്സ് കേപ്പബിൾ ഓഫ് പെർഫോമിംഗ് കാൽക്കുലേഷൻസ്, അനലൈസിംഗ് ദി ഡാറ്റ ആൻഡ് ഇൻ്റഗ്രേറ്റിംഗ് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ഫ്രം ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് പ്രോഗ്രാംസ്. So we want to know more about MS Excel. So how to getting started with MS Excel? By simply press the start button. From that we select all programs. From the list we select the Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Office Excel 2010. After pressing the Microsoft Excel 2010, open a new window known as Microsoft Excel IDE. It have many tools. We are familiar with Microsoft Word documents. So here the file tab is used for general file operations, creating new file, save the file, open new tab, etc. Then the quick access toolbar. Here we store the frequently used tools in the quick access toolbar. Then we know the ribbon. What is a ribbon? Ribbon contains tabs: insert, page layout, format tab, data tab, etc. And also the ribbon contains groups. Example, the font group, alignment group, etc. Also the ribbon contains commands. Commands are the single parts of a group. Example, in the font group we have bold, italic, underline, etc. are the commands. The next main area is sheet area. Sheet area is the main portion of the Excel which contain rows and columns. The intersection between the rows and columns is known as cell. So when we click a cell, its address is displayed on the address bar. Here we click the first cell. The address of the first cell is A1, 8th row, 8th column and first row. Then the row bar contain the labels of the A, B, C, D, etc. The column bar contain the labels 1, 2, 3, etc. And also the window contain a status bar. It shows the current status of the cell. These are the IDE. Then the next we want to know how to enter a value in an Excel. It's very simple. Just click the cell and double click the cell and enter the data into it and just press enter, or we can use the navigation tools for entering the data. If we want to go to the next column, then we press the tab button. If we want to go to the next row, then we press the enter button. If we want to go to the same next line in the same column, then we press all plus enter options. The next, how can we save a new sheet? The same method as we save the Word document, we can use file tab save option or file tab save as option, or just press Ctrl plus S option. After we select any of this option, a new save as document, save as dialog box is open. Then we select the folder and give a name to the Excel worksheet with the extension XLSX. XLSX is the extension of the MS Excel worksheet. Then how to create a new Excel worksheet? There are 3 new blank sheets always open when you start a Microsoft Excel. If you want to create new sheet, then just right click the sheet name and select the insert option. From the opening dialog box, select worksheet option and press OK to create a new worksheet. How to copy a worksheet in Excel? It's very simple. Just if we want to copy a content from one worksheet to another, then just right click the mouse from the worksheet name, then select the copy or move option. From the list we select the create a copy option, tick and press OK button. Then how to delete a worksheet? It's very simple. Just press the right button of the mouse from the sheet name and select the delete option. Then we discussed about editing features of a worksheet. First one is inserting data in Excel, that we discussed later. Just activate the cell, type the number and press enter. The next one is how to inserting formulas. If you have a table with the name, salary amount and tax percentage. To find the tax amount, just click the cell and and on the formula bar we just type the formula here, equal to, here the salary amount into tax is the equation. Here salary amount in the C4th cell and tax amount in the D4th cell, and multiply these two cells and press the enter to display the result. Then next, selecting the data in a cell. If you want to use mouse to drag the mouse over the data you want to select, or we press F5 button to select go to statement, and then a special area we want to select, then we use go to statement. From the go to dialog box we select command and press OK. Okay, then how to delete a data in Excel? It's very simple. Select the data and right click after selecting the data, then select delete option or cut option. Then how to move data? If we cut a data, then we paste the data on another place. Okay, how to copy paste data? Select the data, right click the mouse button and select copy option. If you want to paste the data on another place, then select the first cell of the selected area and right click paste option. Otherwise we can use Ctrl+C for copy, Ctrl+V for paste, or Ctrl+X for cut. Then the find and replace editing feature. If we want to find a text, or if we want to replace a text with another text, then we use the Ctrl+F key, opening a find and replace tab. If we press the find button, then we can select the name of the word what we want to find, then press find, then the Excel worksheet find that word. If we want to find a text and replace with another text, when we click, then we click the replace button and type the finding text and replacing text, then press the replace button. The next facility is spell check in Excel. So just we select an range and then just press F7. It will give suggestions for the spelling mistake. Other options are ignore ones. If we just right click the mouse button and press ignore ones, it will ignore one word spelling word mistakes for new words. If we press ignore all, it will ignore all the words and all subsequent occurrences of it. We can also use autocorrect option for misspelled words and its correct spelling. So we are wind up in this session with this. We can continue with our next session, Excel formatting features. Bye friends.